everybody. It's Tasty Lacey. Look, I got spaghetti. I'm excited. So happy Wednesday. You'll probably get this tomorrow. I'm excited. You know I love spaghetti. I got to have spaghetti. I am so excited. How's everybody doing? This made my day. I'm telling you. I get excited over spaghetti or tacos. Just look at it. Look at it. I'm just excited. And of course, yeah, my famous Kool-Aid. Just normal Kool-Aid. Blue Hawaiian. Well, not blue Hawaiian, but this is blue flavored. So how's everybody doing? As y'all know, I like to put a little sugar in my spaghetti. I know a lot of people don't like putting sugar in spaghetti, but I do. It is what it is. I'm the only one eating it. So let's get into it. Who wants the first bite? See, this done made me happy. Yeah, this done made me happy. Take a bite. Take a bite. Yes, it's still hot. Let me blow on it. I was waiting for this. I gotta have more cheese. I don't know if y'all know this or not. Y'all probably used to watch 90210. We all know that Luke Perry, the one who played Dylan, passed away. But anyway, I was watching the Shade Room on Instagram. And what is her name? Shannon Doherty. Her cancer's back. She has stage 4 breast cancer. So prayers are out to her. Who remembers 90210? That used to be my show. When I heard it, was just sad. So prayers go out to her. She used to play Brenda on 90210. And then, what was it? Meryl's Place was good too. I used to watch it a lot. Oh, yeah. I watched Anything Goes with Nicole, and she did the Dollar Tree haul. I was like, I can't wait for a Dollar Tree to come back. So it is coming back, like I said. It's doing the renovation. It's expanding. I was like, I am so excited. I cannot wait for February 27th to get here. It's expanding, so I can't wait. She has some cute little stuff from St. Patrick's Day. Mm. If y'all had to choose, what would be your favorite food to eat every day if you only could pick one? What would it be? See, me, that'd be hard because I like spaghetti, I like tacos. I don't know. If I had to pick, oh, that'd be hard. If I had to pick, I probably would pick tacos. Oh, I bought myself some cupcakes and ice cream for my birthday coming up Friday. So, yes. Who's an Aquarius? Let me know in the comments. And when is your birthday? I know Pick of All Trades, she's an Aquarius, and her birthday's coming up Tuesday. I'm telling you, spaghetti is the truth. I'm telling you. Mm. Mm. Delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna be like a kid in the candy store when Dollar Tree opened back up. I'm gonna be spending hours. And I'll probably do a Dollar Tree haul too. I cannot wait. Look. Y'all, that was good. Yo. I really like that one. I had to take a moment. But anyway, I'm silly, y'all. But anyway, I will see you guys Friday. I would probably be eating my little cupcake and ice cream on the video here Friday to celebrate with y'all. And probably a shot of vodka or two. So, I will see you guys Friday. Hope you like this video. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.